Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Decode with Ratan. Let's solve this question. Question is a company database store employee record along with the manager ID. Okay. Some employee have the duplicate entries as well. It means the few of the employees having the duplicate entry, such as employee ID 4, Ritika, having the duplicate records as well. Okay. So write a SQL query to identify managers who supervise at least five unique employees directly. Okay. It means like we have to give the manager name. Under him, there are minimum five unique employee reporting to him. So we have an corporate employee table which having employee ID, employee name, department and manager ID. Let's run this code. Okay, so select star from this table, select star from corporate employee. Okay, we have employee ID, employee name, department, manager ID. What we have to find? We have to find the manager name. So for that, we need to do the self join. So self join means joining the table by itself. So join, again we will write the corporate employee and making it C2. We are joining the a table with itself. So C1 dot manager ID equal to on C1 dot manager ID equal to C2 dot employee ID. Okay. We have all the records like this till here it is for table 1 and after this employee ID it is for table 2. What is what is this employee name? This employee name is basically the manager name. Okay, this employee name is basically the manager's name. So C2 dot employee name as manager manager name. Okay. Now what we have to do group by. Why we are doing group by? So that we can find out the count of employee under manager. So group by based on the same column e2 dot employee name, e2 dot this particular column e2 dot employee name. Okay, then we will write having uh, what we need to find, the count should be more than 5 but the distinct count should be more than 5. Okay, so in this case we have to use count of distinct for e1 dot employee id, e1 dot employee id. Okay, if we use distinct here, then what will happen, uh, if there are two 4 employee id, it will take only one and it should be more than 5. Distinct of e1 dot employee, sorry, it is not e1, it is c1 dot employee id. It will be c1 dot employee id. And now if you will run this code, it shows you Arpit name. Okay, and and one more thing we have to do, we can give the count as well, that count of employee under him. So the next one is, if we simply write count star as total employees, employees. Okay, and if we run this code, so the total number of employees under Arpit is 6. So this is the solution of this particular question. Thank you so much. Like you can solve this question in the another way as well. Okay, please share your solution in in the comment box. Uh, Thank you so much. I will again come with the next solution with the next question. Thank you so much.